himself a spinneroonie. 7. Jason, we got 2 more shots. There's Brewer, a Celtic rebounding leader card, and Downtown Freddie Brown. We got a bird, but it's a bird song. So card set. Ooh, the Celtic rebounding leader. What am I doing over here? What am I doing? Oh, yes, sirree, Bob. Yes, sirree, Jason. Hold on. I said Brewer is on the card with Bird, and what am I over here, falling asleep? I mean, what in the Lord's name am I doing? This is a Larry Bird rookie card. Oh, yeah, hit it. Not bad with the centering either. A man that should have had his own damn card in 1980, but Topps decided to give him a sliver. Nice on the centering as well. Dyson, I will agree with you. It's the first true rookie card of Larry Bird. He had to share it with Brewer and Brown. We call it the Killer Bees card. Brown, Bird, and Brewer. Let me see if I type in Bird here. Larry Bird is on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards, including that Bird, Irving, and Johnson. There's Magic. There's Johnson, Bird, and Sigma. There's May, Bird, and Sigma. There's Bridgman, Bird, and Brewer. And then there's Brown, Bird, and Brewer. Last PSA 10, giddied up about $1,600. Yeah, average is about $1,500 to $2,000, about $1,600, $1,700 average. I love it. A milk white Larry Bird, the hick from French Lick. Take a look at the back real quick. I think it should be worth more. Call me a fool, send me emails, tell me to stop talking about my 2 cents. It's about $200 in a 9. That is clean and pristine nice. It's down to that centering. Yahoo, it's tough. There's only 4 or 5 Larry Bird cards. I mean, this is, in 24, it sold for $1,500. April of 26, $1,600. What is going on? It's a Larry Bird rookie card. I know there's Brewer and Brown on the sides of it, but I could be wrong. I'm just saying.
Oh, another big hit here at JRI Cards. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more. Then check us out at jricards.com. The next great rip could have your name on it.